Hi Pima Panthers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Monet inspired water lilies evening effect painting. Now if you have paints, you are more than welcome to try this using your paints. You could even use marker or crayon or a colored pencil or anything like that. I'm going to be showing you how to do this using Seesaw. If you would rather use Seesaw than some of those other materials I mentioned, be my guest, go right ahead. But if you'd rather do it with the physical materials, you're going to follow the same process. Except when I reach for my digital marker, you're going to reach for your physical marker or paintbrush. Okay, guys? So you can follow the same steps either way. It's the same project. But like I said, I'm going to do the demo using Seesaw. Believe it or not, I actually am not sure where my paints are. I think they're probably packed away somewhere. And I know some of you don't have paints at your house or don't know where they are like me. So it works out. Either way, use the materials you choose. You can follow the same steps. Okay, guys? All right, first you go to, on Seesaw for using that, add. Then you go to drawing. I'm going to kind of, yeah, there we go. Smush this canvas a little so I can see this beautiful, beautiful painting by Claude Monet called Water Lilies Evening Effect. All right. First things first. Because I am using Seesaw, I'm going to come down here to my three dots in the circle, and I'm going to click on my background, and I want to pick a blue. Well, it's a pretty good blue. Is that the best blue we have? That would look kind of cool. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to go with this blue right here. Okay. So I made my background blue because it's less work for me to fill in later. Now I'm going to use my marker tool, this one right here. I'm going to pick brush stroke about probably this size. I'm going to get a color that is, let's see, where is it? It's with my blue, but it's a little bit lighter. You guys see that? It doesn't have to be that exact color. Just make sure, yeah, there we go. You can see it, and use your mouse or your finger, like I'm using here, and you want to kind of put some texture on your background. So if you're using your finger, I'm literally just dragging my finger across the screen like this. There's no right or wrong way to do this, by the way. Oh, whoops. That's why this is so great. Hit back, it's gone. I'll show you real quick. You can use your mouse to do this process too. You just click with your mouse, hold it down, and then move your mouse around like that. Okay? Either way, you get the same kind of effect. All right, guys. So I've added some background texture. Beautiful. Next step, I'm gonna draw out my water lilies. And for this, I'm actually gonna pick this sort of color. So I can cover this up later. Our water lilies, if you look at them up there, they're really just kind of oval shapes. So I'm gonna put in some oval shapes. And most of this brown will be covered up in my water lilies later. Some of them you can still see it later. Okay, they kind of look like potatoes, but that's okay. Maybe you can try to make yours look sort of like potatoes. There's one over here. There's something over here. Can't really tell. And there's a part, oopsies. There's a part of, no. Part of one over there. Sorry, my computer thought I was trying to do something else. Okay, it's telling me my recording is about to end in 20 seconds. Before it does, I'm gonna come down to my greens. Ooh, I was lucky. Pick a nice green color. And on a lot of these lily pads, and again, I'm still using the same marker tool, I'm gonna color them in.